हेलो गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू माय एसएपी एफआईसीयू सेशन। कल की क्लास में हमने एफआईसीयू का जो एंटरप्राइज स्ट्रक्चर है उसका इंट्रोडक्शन देखा, उसका थ्योरेटिकल पढ़ा। अब हम उसकी प्रैक्टिकल करेंगे। ओके, सो गाइस, कंपनी एंड कंपनी कोड क्रिएट करने के लिए हमें कहाँ जाना होता है? वी हैव टू लॉग इन टू एसएपी सिस्टम, और उसके बाद हमें जाना पड़ता है एसपीआरओ, इज ए ट्रांजेक्शन कोड। ओके, वेट, आई हैव टू लॉग इन अगेन। Okay, we have to go to SPRO. Under SPRO, we have to go to SAP reference IMG, and under SAP reference IMG, we will be finding all these options. So any kind of configuration is that is related to SAP HCM, MMSG that need to be done here. Basis configuration, ABAP configuration. This is the place where we do all kind of configuration. Okay. So for enterprise structure, we have to go this option, and under this option, where you have to go, you have to click here in the definitions. Under definitions, you have to go to financial accounting. Under financial accounting, you have to go to define company, and here define company code. सो ये जो दो ऑप्शन है, इन दोनों ऑप्शंस के अंदर आपको जाके कंपनी एंड कंपनी कोड बनाना है। बट यस सी, बट व्हाट आई एम डूइंग, मैंने जो एमएम की जो कॉन्फ़िगरेशन करी है, आई नीड टू बी कनेक्ट दिस एफआईसीयू टू दैट पर्टिकुलर है ना कंपनी कोड, ताकि वो आपस में कनेक्शन रहे और एंड में पूरी पूरी P2P साइकिल आपको दिखा सकूं। दैट्स व्हाई आई विल नॉट क्रिएट अ न्यू फ्रेश client and company code, but I will show you. Okay, so in define company, if you see, I have created one company code, that is GMOT, and sorry, GAU and Gaurav Enterprise. This is the not right one. Yeah, this one. GAU 123 I have created. And this is very simple. You just have to, if you want to create your own one, you have to click on new entry, and you have to give here your code. Okay, that should be 6-digit code length, but you can give no, less than 6-digit code also. Okay, there is no limitations. You can give alphabetical, you can give numerical code, you can use a special character, whatever you want. Okay, there is no limitations, but only limitation is that you can give the maximum length of that company code is 6-digit. Okay, so you have to fill 6-digit code whatever you want to, and you have to give your company name to their postal address, PO box number, postal code, city, country, language, currency. You have to fill this, then you have to click on save tab. Okay, so this is how you create your client. And after creating client, you have to create your company code. So in this section here, you will click here, and you have to click on edit company code data. Or under this section, what you have to do, you have to click on new entries, and you have to give the code, whatever code is mentioned in your blueprint, you have to mention here. Okay, you have to give here. But right now you are practicing that you have to give na code by your own. But the only thing is that you have to record that, because this company code you need na till the end. Okay, if you forgot your company code, so how will you do na rest of configuration? Because this is the thing which is need to be connected to your all the configuration. Okay, so from here you have to give your company code, company name, city, country, currency, language, and when you click here save, the system will prompt you to give the address. I will show you. Wait, my company code is GMOT. Enter, and I will click here, and I will show you details. And here you will find you have to give your code number, you have to give your uh, name of your company for which you are doing configuration, and here you have to give their additional data that is related to your address, your country, your currency, your language. And when you click on save tab, you will get this kind of pop up to fill the exact address. Okay, their phone number, telephone number, post office box number, each and everything you have to fill which is mentioned on your blueprint. Then you have to click on save tab. So this is how you create your company and company code. I haven't created because I have already created for my material management section, but rest of other thing I have to create, because we that thing this is related to finance, we haven't created now. So what we have to do here, so our next step is to create business area. I will create my two business areas. So here you have to click on new entries. So let's say my Gaurav Motor are having two business locations, business areas. So one is, let's say 1001 and 1002. 1002. Okay, and that is GMOT Delhi and GMOT Bangalore, or we can say Gurgaon. We have two locations. Okay, one is in Delhi, one is in Kolkata, one is in Gurgaon. तो मैंने दो so 101 is already taken. Let's say GMO1 enter and GMO2. Okay, enter. तो मैंने ये दे दिया है. Now here I will click my own folder, that is Gaurav Motors FI implementation settings. Okay, so guys, अगर आपको इनके बारे में नहीं पता कि भाई ये जो हम चीज सेव कर रहे हैं, तो अगेन आई विल टेल यू, गो बैक टू माय SAP HCM सेशन. वहाँ कस्टमाइजिंग जो हम ट्रांसपोर्ट करते हैं, जब भी आप कुछ काम करते हो, आप डेवलपमेंट सर्वर के अंदर काम कर रहे होते हैं, और उसको फिर हमें एक फोल्डर में सेव करके रखना पड़ता है, ताकि जब टेस्टिंग सर्वर पे डालें और क्लाइंट सर्वर पे डालें तो वो एक ही फोल्डर पे रहे. तो आपको अपने जो भी चेंजेस आप कर रहे हो उसका एक फोल्डर बनाना पड़ेगा, और जितनी भी हम चेंजेस करेंगे गौरव मोटर को लेके FI वाली, हम सारा इसी फोल्डर के अंदर डालेंगे. और इस फोल्डर का किस किस इंप्लॉय को एक्सेस होगा, मेरे जो सबॉर्डिनेट्स हैं, मेरे जो सीनियर्स हैं, उन सबका इसके अंदर एक्सेस होगा, ताकि वो जब भी कुछ क्लाइंट के लिए काम करें वो भी इसी फोल्डर के अंदर सेव करें, ताकि सारी चीजें हमारे पास एक ही जगह के अंदर हो. ओके, तो यहाँ पर आपको यूजर आई डालनी पड़ेगी. अभी तो हमारे पास और आईडी नहीं है. लेट्स से मैं एक आईडी ये डाल देता हूँ, सेव कर लेता हूँ. सो हमारे पास एक ये आ गया गौरव मोटर. मैं इस फोल्डर के अंदर सेव कर रहा हूँ जो मैंने ये बिजनेस एरिया बनाया. Now I have two business areas. One is GMO1 and GMO2. GMO1 belongs to GMOT Delhi, and second one is for GMO2, that is GMOT Gurgaon. Now, what you have to do, we have to create my functional areas. So I will create two with functional area, but you can create multiple functional areas. Okay. So let's say GMO1 and GMO2. Let's say I will create three. GMO3, and here I will give like GMOT production DPT, and here GMOT production, oh sorry, quality, let's say finance department. Okay, and the next one is GMOT, that is quality, or we can say sales department. Okay, so I have created three department, but you can create n number of department which your client require. आपको यहाँ create करना है, and you have to click save and no the same particular folder. Okay, so now, so what we have created four things. One is company, that is client, Gaurav Industries Private Limited, Gaurav Industries, Gaurav Group of Industries, and after that we have created one company code, that is Gaurav Motor, for which we are going to do implementation. Then we have created one business area, that is business location. One is in Gurgaon, one is in Delhi. GMO1 belongs to Gurgaon and GMO2 belongs to Delhi, I think. And the functional area, I have created three functional area from department. One is quality, one is production, and one is sales. Okay. Now, one is finance, one is production, and one is sales, I think. No. So I have created these three departments. Now what we have to do, we have to create defined credit control area. So I have created one, we have to create one credit control area. So my credit control area is, let's say GMOT. I'm giving same number, and my company's currency is INR. Okay. And update version, I will pick, see, this is for sales and distribution, but I'm taking 001, and fiscal year variant, I will pick from, let's say, GMOT. Okay. Enter. Let's say, actually I have created one. So what I will do, I will create, let's say, one V3, that is SAP standard fiscal year. Na? So I will teach you what is fiscal year, why fiscal year is mandatory. SAP fiscal year is very important factor for SAP FICO configuration. I have created already for material management section, because for completing one P2P cycle, we need to create some SAP FICO configuration. For that we have created. If I show you, हम यहाँ पे जाते हैं, let's say SPRO, and we go to SAP, let's say here, and under ledgers we have to create fiscal year. And if you see, मैं यहाँ चाहता हूँ, तो I will show you GMOT, and you will find Gaurav April to March. So what is my fiscal year? 1F. So I will give here right now 1F, but in real time I will create my own, let's say this is, and here I have to give my credit limit. Let's say, for example, my I'm giving 2 lakh Okay, and all these risk category, representative group, update option, this thing is updated by sales and distribution guys. Okay, so now what I'm doing, I'm saving it. I have created my credit control area, and I will create now, I will teach you how to create fiscal year. If you want to learn about SAP FICO fiscal year, you can go to my material management section as well, and SAP HCM, because fiscal year is very important thing guys. Okay, without financial year, without chart of account, you can't do any kind of transactions. Let's say you can't give you can't run any payroll in any system, or you can't do payment to anybody if you don't have fiscal year. So how will you just give for which particular period you have gave for which period you are running that payroll? Let's say period means is which month. Okay, let's say you are running second period's payroll. So it means you are running payroll for May month, because Indian, according to Indian financial year, or financial year start from 1st of April. Na? Okay, that's why I have created my fiscal year for material management. Right now, I'm using the same one because I'm using the existing GMOT which I'm using for material management. That's why I'm using this option. Okay, so guys, here fiscal year variant मैंने choose कर लिया है, यहाँ पर मैंने limit दे दी है. Now you have to click on save tab, and my credit control area is created. Now here I have to give the name, let's say GMOT fiscal, sorry, credit control area. Okay, now click on save tab, go back. Now अब ये सारी चीज बनकर रेडी हो गई है, तो हम यहाँ पर कंसोलिडेशन बिजनेस एरिया के अंदर भी आ जाते हैं. यहाँ पर आके हम एक अपना बना देते हैं, लेट्स से GM01, let's say GM01, and here why I'm giving ना सेम नंबर, क्योंकि यार ये सेम ही रखूंगा तो मेरे को याद रहेगा कि भाई इसी नंबर तो इन्हीं में से कोई ना कोई मेरा होगा, इसलिए क्योंकि मैं कोई बिजनेस ब्लूप्रिंट तो फॉलो नहीं कर रहा. ठीक है ना, तो याद ना करने के लिए मैं सेम ही दे रहा हूँ, ताकि ऐसा नहीं है कि आपको सेम ही रखना है. ओके, सो GMOT consolidated business area, and click on save tab. Now, here we have one more thing, that is for right now, I'm not going to create that. I don't want to maintain FM financial management area, but you can create segment that is a line of business. Now, let's say here laptop, bags. Let's say I'm creating Gaurav Motors, so I'm creating two segments, that is GMO1 and GMO2. One segment is for GMOT, two-wheelers, and here GMOT four-wheelers. Or if you say your client deals with only four-wheelers, so you can give here ना, let's say like hatchback, sedan, SUVs, है ना. तो आप उस तरह से भी आप दे सकते हो. तो मैं इन दो सेक्शंस के अंदर लेके आ रहा हूँ. सो दिस इज हाउ वी क्रिएट अवर एंटरप्राइज स्ट्रक्चर. नाउ व्हाट वी हैव टू डू, वी हैव टू असाइन दिस टॉपिक्स ना, दिस ऑब्जेक्ट्स टू माय each other na. So here in assignment section, you have to come here, and you have to go to financial accounting. Here assign company code to company. तो यहाँ पर सबसे पहले आपको assign करना है, and this data is logged. So I don't have to assign now. I've already assigned this. So what you have to do, I will give GMOT, and this is already assigned to my GA0123. Okay, you just you have to search your company code. And in this section, you have to choose your company, like here, from here. You have to select here. If you remember your code, you can just directly give. But if you don't remember, you can give like GAU123, enter, and you will find. So that you are not able to find your code, so it's showing this G0123 not found in line 1. So why? Because it's searching only 500. So you have to increase the hits and GAU and 123, and you will find here. Okay, so then you have to click here, and your code will come here. Then you have to click on save tab. Now, this is how you assign your company code. Now, what I have to do, I have to assign my company code. Wait, this is locked by SOG Hermit. So what I have to do? Wait, here I have to, or I can do one more thing. Na? See, I will open one window, and SM12 is a transaction code. यहाँ पर आप आओगे, and what I have to do, I have to SOG Hermit को मेरे को यहाँ से हटाना है. Then I have to click on list. अब लिस्ट करेंगे तो इस सर्वर पर जो टेबल यहाँ पर ऑन है वो सारी हमारी दिखेगी. देखो ये भी खुली हुई है, इस वजह से हमें बार बार ऐड दे रहा है. मैं क्या करता हूँ, मैं सब डिलीट कर देता हूँ, तो सारी लॉक्ड एंट्रीज यहाँ से हट जाएंगी. ठीक है. नाउ अगर अब मैं चाहता हूँ, देखो अब मैं वो विंडो, ये वाली विंडो जो है, हटा नहीं रहा, बट अब मैं यहाँ पर जब क्लिक करूंगा सिस्टम मेरे को अलाउ कर देगा करने के लिए। ठीक है ना, तो आप किसी और को हटाए बिना भी उस पेज में जा सकते हो। अगर अब ये एरर दे रहा है कहीं आपको वेट करने की जरूरत नहीं है, तो क्या करना है, मेरे को जीएमओटी पे जाना है। यहाँ पर आके मेरे को अपना क्रेडिट कंट्रोल एरिया डालना है, तो जीएमओटी डालते हैं, एंटर। सर्च भी कर सकते हैं आप यहाँ पर, तो आपको जीएमओटी दिख जाएगा। तो अभी 449 ही है, हम यहाँ पर जीएमओटी डालते हैं, उठ के हमारा आ जाएगा। आप इसे क्लिक करके क्लिक ऑन सेव टैब। So this is how you assign your credit control area to company code. Now, what you have to assign business area to consolidated business area. So मेरे दो थे GMO1 एंटर, तो दोनों दिख जाएंगे। और ये दोनों को मैं GMO1 के संग असाइन कर देता हूँ, क्योंकि सेम ही नाम देता है कंसोलिडेशन दोनों, तो इन सबका एक ही मेन कंसोलिडेट है। उनको मैंने इनको आपस में असाइन कर दिया। सो ये पूरा कंप्लीट हो गया एंटरप्राइज स्ट्रक्चर। देखो फाइनेंशियल एफएम सेगमेंट, एफएम एरिया हमने बनाया नहीं था। प्रॉफिट सेंटर एरिया हमने अभी बनाया नहीं है, हमारे थर्ड या फोर्थ चैप्टर के अंदर आएगा। ठीक है, प्रॉफिट सेंटर जब बनाएंगे तो हम उसको असाइन करेंगे। ठीक है। सो अभी जो फर्स्ट चैप्टर है एफआई का वो सारा कंप्लीट हो गया। देखो यहाँ पर असाइन करने के लिए आपको बिजनेस एरिया कंपनी कोड के संग असाइन करने का कोई ऑप्शन नहीं है, फंक्शनल एरिया असाइन करने के लिए नहीं है, सेगमेंट असाइन करने, क्योंकि दीज आर फॉर ओनली रिपोर्टिंग पर्पस ना। तो वो किसी के संग भी हम असाइन कर सकते हैं। ठीक है, तो उन चीजों के लिए होता है। सो गाइस, दिस इज इट फॉर ना फर्स्ट चैप्टर्स practical related to enterprise structure. This is how we create our all the objects and how we assign this topic to our all these object to each other, okay, as per my client requirement. So होप यू गाइस एंजॉयड दिस वीडियो। और अगर आप ये वीडियो यहाँ तक देख रहे हो तो जरूर आपको पसंद आया होगा। प्लीज टू सब्सक्राइब एंड कीप ट्यूनिंग फॉर अनदर वीडियोस। आई एम डेफिनेटली आई विल ट्राई 4 to 5 videos every week related to FICO, so that we can complete wrap up SAP FICO within till 15th of Jan. Okay, क्योंकि it's a very vast subject. It is almost 2 modules now. One is CO, one is FIC. Okay, FI. So we will be doing all this thing. Please keep tuning. अगर आपको वीडियो पसंद आती है तो do subscribe and share in your span, so that your friends also learn SAP FICO. Okay guys, bye bye, take care.